Welcome to this tutorial on why layers are important. As we can see here, this has got multiple colors, multiple layers. This gives us the ability, by setting layers, we can turn off items, turn off the hidden line, the center lines, and the object lines, which just leaves the dimensions. This gives you the ability to work within Autocad and make it easy to hide stuff that you don't want to see, and this helps tremendously. Also, if we take and make everything one color, notice it's a lot harder to see what is going on, whether you've got center lines, hidden lines. That's why it is so important to work with layers in AutoCAD.